Hello friends, I am Pratik. I welcome you all to 9sem.com. Today we will be looking into transformer testing. This lecture is going to be little lengthy, but it is very important. Testing of transformer is carried out as per IS 2026. Trafo testing is done in three ways. They are routine test, type test and special test. Starting with routine test. Routine tests are classified as follows. 1. Measurement of winding resistance. 2. Measurement of insulation resistance. 3. Separate source voltage with stand test. 4. Induced overvoltage with stand test. 5. Measurement of voltage ratio. 6. Measurement of no load loss and current. 7. Measurement of load loss and impedance. 8. Vector group verification. And 9. Oil BDV test. Let's understand each of them clearly. 1. Winding resistance test. This test measure the resistance of HV and LV winding. The values of resistance should be balanced for all three phases and should match the designed value. Equipment used is digital resistance meter. Number 2. Measurement of insulation resistance. In this, we measure the insulation resistance of HV and LV windings with respect to earth or body and between LV and HV winding by temporarily setting each side. Measure is used to test IR or insulation resistance. Recommended values are 2000 megaohm for HV side and 500 megaohm for LV side. Number 3. Separate source voltage with stand test. This test checks insulation property between primary to earth and secondary to earth and between primary and secondary. It is done for both high voltage side and low voltage side. In high voltage side, LV windings are connected together and earth and HV winding are connected together and given 28 kV for a 11 kV trafo for 1 minute. For other rating trafos, we have mentioned a table here, like for 22 kV trafo, 50 kV supply is applied, and for 33 kV trafo, 70 kV supply is being applied. And in LV side high voltage test, HV windings are connected together and earth and LV windings are connected together and given 3 kV supply for 1 minute by using high voltage test या hypo test kit. These drawings, you can see these connections on drawings. Number 4. Induced voltage with stand test. This test checks interturn insulation. For a 11 kV by 433 volt transformer, 866 volts are applied at 433 volt winding with help of generator for 1 minute. This induces 22 kV on 11 kV side. The frequency of 866 volt supply is increased to 100 Hz. This testing is done by using motor generator set. Number 5. Measurement of voltage ratio. This test measures the voltage ratio as per the customer requirement. The voltage ratio is equal to turns ratio of transformer. As we know, V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N2. By using this principle, turns ratio is being measured with help of turns ratio meter. If it is correct, the voltage ratio is assumed to be correct. Number 6. Measurement of no load loss and current. In this, iron loss and no load current are measured. The LV winding is charged at rated voltage supply and HV winding is left open as shown in the diagram. The power consumed by transformer at no load is the no load loss in the transformer. Effect of actual frequency must be taken into account. It is being monitored by the help of wattmeter or power analyzer. Number 7. Measurement of load and impedance. This test measures power consumed by transformer when LV winding is shorted and rated current passed through HV winding. Number 8. Vector group verification. In this, we will take in an example of a delta star connected trafo. If as shown DYN11 vector group of a distributed transformer, it denotes that capital D is primary side delta connected and the secondary is connected star as denoted YN with 330 degree angle or 11 o'clock with respect to primary side. Vector group means angular displacement between HB and LV of same phasor. For example, capital R of delta winding and small r of star winding. It is being measured by using voltmeter. Number 9. Oil breakdown voltage or oil BDV test. This is checked as per IS 335. In this, a 100 mm length, 70 mm breadth and 80 mm height glass pot containing 500 ml oil sample is taken. 2 spherical electrodes with the gap of 2.5 mm kept inside the oil and power injected from tester and checked at what voltage the dielectric strength of oil breaks. The value should not be less than 60 kV. The other 2 type of testing are not scheduled practice, so we will not go much deeper. And so the second test is type test. Type tests are carried out only on one transformer of the lot. They are done to check design and process parameter. They includes all routine tests, additionally lightning impulse test and temporary rise test. Special and the last is special test. Other than above 2 type of tests, special tests are done by agreed between manufacturer and purchaser. They are additional impulse test, short circuit test, measurement of zero phase sequence impedance test, measurement of acoustic noise level, measurement of harmonic of no load current. So that's all for this video. Hope it is understandable. Thank you for listening 9 Same.